Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is my bacon and cabbage. I cook up a whole pack of bacon, then I take and cook the cabbage in the bacon grease. I've added a little bit of black pepper, onion powder, and minced garlic. I would have cut up an onion, but I'm out of onions for some strange reason. And it's usually something I don't run out of, but the way I've been doing my shopping with everything going on, that I've run out. But I'm going to the grocery store Sunday or Tuesday. I hadn't decided yet. I'll stock up then. But what I do after my cabbage is done, I take and crumble up the bacon and just put that all through the cabbage. And you can use other seasoning, you know, whatever you like, maybe Lowry's seasoning salt. I would use garlic powder, but I'm out of that too for some strange reason. And just cook it. I don't like my cabbage cooked real limp. I like a little bit of firmness to it, but it'll be good eating either way. And the waste leaves go to the rabbits, and I'll pretty much eat all this. What I don't eat will go in the refrigerator, and I'll eat it for supper. And even the core. How many of y'all eat the core out of the cabbage? That's really good for you. When I was a kid, I always got the core. When my mom would cut up a cabbage, she'd save the core for me, and I just always like eating the core of the cabbage. Just try it your way. Let me know how you like it down in the comment section. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like. Hit that subscribe button. God bless.